Hi guys, my name is Rahul and today we are going to see the Realme C1 unboxing and its overview. So Realme C1 is the fourth device Realme has launched this year. If I'm not wrong, Realme 1, yes, that's the fourth device. Let's see what's around the box or what specs is mentioned. So here it is mentioned that it's a Realme C1, it's a navy blue color, it has RAM 2 GB, ROM is 16 GB, that's internal 16 GB, and it's made in India phone. So on the bottom you can see that it has mentioned the rear camera is 13 plus 2 MB, front camera is 5 MB, there is 6.2-inch screen, a big battery 4230 mAh, then it is 170-gram phone, and it is manufactured by Oppo Mobile India, and there is nothing on the bottom. So let's unbox the box. So I was talking that Realme's fourth device versus this is the lowest priced device in Realme's category. It is launched for 7,000 and right now it's priced around 7,500. It is available via Flipkart. It is available in black and blue color, and it is one of the better spec phone under 10 under 89K because it comes with Snapdragon 4450 and it costs only 7500. So in terms of specs it is a really good phone for the price. So let us see what's inside the box. I almost opened the box. So inside, as usually, you can see this paper pouch. Let me put it aside, and under that you can see the device itself. So let me put the device aside. Then let's see what's inside the box more. There is what accessories it has given. So there is a charger and there's also a micro USB cable. Obviously it will be micro USB cable, so nothing to look around. So let us see how fast the mobile charge works. Sorry for the exposure, there is some kind of issue while recording. I think it's overexposing. Let me put down the exposure a little down. Hmm. Okay, now the exposure is on. Let's see what kind of charger they are providing. It seems it's a really slow charge. It's 5 watt 1 amp charger. I can't believe this. They should have given 5 amp 2 amp charger. This is a huge battery. I can't imagine how much time it will take to charge this big battery. So let's see what's cable. Okay, the high dimension. Already the 15K phone, the most priced Realme phone is Realme 2 Pro. It comes with micro USB cable. So obviously Realme C1 also will be coming with micro USB cable. I hope next year onwards manufacturers started to put USB type C cable in phone in every range. I hope. So let's see. Okay, so that is that. Let me put it aside. So talking about the device, I see only the only problem this phone has that it does not have a fingerprint scanner sensor, but it has face unlock, so you can unlock protect your device and give security by using face unlock. So let's see what's inside this box. So that is symmetric to without any branding. Then there is leaflets, maybe the service guarantee, important information guide. I don't think we will read it ever. So then there is a quick guide, let me put it inside. So then there is this TPU case, which is now a trend, a really good trend that mobile manufacturers giving this pouch. It's a pretty decent quality pouch. I like it because it is better than any pouch given by Xiaomi. Xiaomi's is very flimsy. It's decent quality, I say. I have the same kind of pouch with Realme 2 Pro, so I think it's fine. I have powered on the device, and you can see you might be able to see the startup of the device. Let me open the plastic. Let me put it aside. Let's see. So that is the boot up logo. Okay, there's small plastic. Whoa, the device really look awesome. I had to say it's not glass; it is plastic built, just like any other Realme device. But for the price, man, this looks really good. So let me get into the home. Okay, so the device is very saturated, very powerful. It is 6.2 inch 720p display, that is 1520 into 720 pixel resolution, 18 to 9 display with 2.5D curved glass display. It's saturated, most people like saturated displays, so I cannot blame them tuning this with saturated colors. So there is a small notch because of which they said they were able to achieve 87.8% screen to body ratio. So inside the notch you can see that it has 5 MP front camera with f2.2 aperture. Then there is an earpiece, and then there is also a notification LED on the notch itself. So let me zoom out and see, let us see an overview of the device. So on this side you can see the power button, and this side there is volume rocker keys and the dedicated dual sim and micro accessor. Thanks god it's not hybrid. At the top of the phone there is nothing, and the bottom you can see 3.5 headphone jack, micro USB port, then there is the speaker grill, and on the back side 13 MB plus 2 MB rear camera with a flash, then Realme branding, no fingerprint sensor as I have mentioned earlier. 13 MP camera is f2.2 aperture. So let me turn on the device again and let us dive into the device and see what OS version it is made available or is sold to us. So let us see about phone. It's saying it's Realme C1. It's a ColorOS version 5.1, 8.1 Android, 2 GB RAM, 7.15 GB available of 16 GB, and it has September security patch. So that is that. Then let's look in the camera. Only difference I see, this is the Oppo camera app itself. So only difference I see with the Realme 2 Pro is that Realme 2 Pro had a expert mode and it doesn't have an expert mode Realme 7. So it can record up to 1080p. Also we can change the option to 720p also. There is a 2x zoom button which is a little zoom. Okay. So I will be putting two more samples for the camera, and I will also will be doing a full review of the device, so stay tuned for that. And so thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one. Goodbye.